I switched career paths drastically, and I wanted to work more with the public and more with my hands. When the maintenance planner position came up, the opportunity to get a license, to get your AZ, CZ, all the training that we got, all the certificates, just doing something different and doing something new, and not sitting behind a desk. For me, I needed a little more physical, and this job provides that, and I'm always moving and I'm always on the go, and I like that.
Part I enjoy about being part of the maintenance staff is we're like a big family. We're a big group. We all look out for each other, and every day is an excitement. This department allows growth, and you can further your education within the city of Ottawa and become a tradesperson as long as you're willing to put the dedicated work and enjoy the fast-paced work that we have.
In the morning, we meet as a team, we have our kickoff, everyone voices their opinions, we get information, feedback, and then I get in my van, I go and have a set list of things I have to do, and as long as I get through it and have everything done on time, then that's my day. And there's always something that arises, there's always going to be complications and things like that, but for the most part, we have the tools to get through it.
And every day is a little bit different.
Don't be scared. A lot of people I know say, how do you do it? For me, it's don't be nervous to try something new, and they'll train you, they'll give you all the tools you need. If you want to do something different, then this is a place.
Hi, my name's Keith. I've been at OC Transpo for 13 years.
Hi, my name is Chelsea. I've been a maintenance helper with OC Transpo for the last 14 years, and yeah, it's great.